Good morning, students. So, in the previous class, especially I have discussed the concept of parallel lines and the transversal. So, and I think you have got clear concept about corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, uh, alternate exterior angles. So angles, those are same set of the transversal, also called co-interior angles. I hope all of you understood these things, and also the different types of angles. Today we are going to start exercise 6.1. So here, question number 1. In figure, lines AB and CD intersect at O if angle AOC plus BOE is equal to 70 degree, angle BOD is equal to 40 degree. Find angle BOE and reflex angle COE. See the figure first. Here, AOC plus BOE means the sum of these two angles, this AOC and this angle. Sum of these two angles they have given. They have not given each of them. Sum of means they are together 70 degree. And this BOD is how much? 40 degree. Then find angle BOE and reflex COE. So now see, we can find like this way. See, we have already BOE, and it is clear this AB and CD lines and they are intersect. Ultimately, we can say that this angle and this angle is what? Vertically opposite. If BOD is how much? 40 degree, then AOC is also 40, and AOC is adding with what? BOE, then how much you get? 70. So after getting AOC, if you put here, then you will get BOE also. So see here what I have done. We have angle BOD is equal to 40. In figure, angle BOD is equal to angle AOC VOA. It is shortcut vertically opposite angle. You can write like this way. So in the place of BOD, how much? 40 degrees. So AOC, that means AOC is also 40. Now it is given that AOC plus BO is equal to 70 degrees. So in the place of AOC, just replace how much? 40 degree plus BO is equal to 70. If we transfer this 40 on the right hand side, then 70 minus 40 how much? 30. So we got BOE. So what do we need? BOE. So we got BOE. Clear? Also, AOC plus COE plus BO is equal to 180 degree is equal to LP, means linear pair. See here, AOC this angle, COE this one, and BOE this one. This is a straight angle, means straight angle also you can say that this is linear pair. Yes or no? Means the sum of these three angles is how much? 180 degree. Now AOC what you got? 40. Okay, 40. COE is unknown. BOE how much? Just now we got 30. Then 40 plus 30 70. Then 180. If you transfer this 70 on the right hand side, 180 minus 70 how much? 110 degree. So we got also COE. But what do you need? Reflex angle COE, not COE. Reflex means, see, which angle is reflex? Here, if this angle is COE, then reflex is this whole part. This part, this portion. Understood? This is COE and reflex is this part. This part means what? What is the complete angle? 360 degree. To get this portion, measurement of this angle, then we have to minus this this angle from 360, then we will get this one. That is why reflex COE is equal to 360 minus COE. Minus COE means how much? 110. So 360 minus 110, 240. Clear? Question number 2. In figure, lines XY and MN intersect at O. If angle PO, this is O. Okay, this O actually this point. OY is equal to 90 degree. This is 90 degree. They have given in the question. This symbol is 90 degree. And A is to B is equal to 2 is to 3. The ratio of A is to B is 2 is to 3. Find C. You need to find out this angle. C. Okay. So we have angle POI is equal to 90. POI is equal to 90 given. And A is to B is how much? 2 is to 3. So it is ratio. So you can take like that. Let A is equal to 2x and B is equal to 3x. In figure, we can see it is clearly that this XY is a line. So the sum of this triangle A, B and this POI is how much? 180. So you can write A plus B plus POI is equal to 180. So A plus B POI is how much? 90 degree. It is given already 180. So if it transfer this 90 on the right hand side, it is 180 minus 90, 90. It is shortcut, you can write 180 minus 90, 90. So what is A have taken? Twice x, and what is B have taken? Thrice x. So right, twice x plus thrice x is equal to 90. So 5x is equal to 90. Now x is equal to 90 by 5. So 5 ones are 5. What is left? 4. 40. 5 is 40. Means x is equal to 18. That means A is equal to how much we have taken? Twice x. So 2 into 18, 36. And B is equal to 3x. 3 into 18, 54. Clear? So we got A and B. But what do you need? We need C. So how to find out C? So one thing I want to say clearly here. See, this sum, those are given in the exercise chapter 6 or symmetry. You can find out the angles. Those are given in the question in different way. Maybe I have chosen this way, but you can take out in different way also, and you will get the same answer. Again, MN is a line. See here, this MN is a line. If MN is a line, then what is the sum of the angle B and C? It is also 180 degree, because this is this angle and this angle forming what? Linear pair. That is why B plus C is 180. So MN is a line. So B plus C is 180 LP. LP means linear pair. B, how much you got just now? 54. So 54 plus C is 180. So C is equal to 180 minus 54. How much? 126 degree. So like this you can find out angle C. Clear? Question number 5. In figure, POQ is a line, ray OR is perpendicular to line PQ. OH is another ray lying between rays OP and ORC. In figure, this POQ is a line. This is ray OR is perpendicular. This perpendicular means this is how much? 90 degree. This symbol is given here, 90 degree. To line PQ means OR perpendicular to PQ. OH is another ray lying between rays OP and OR. Means this OR and OP, you can find out one more ray here, OS. So we have to prove that this relation. ROS, angle ROS is equal to half angle QOS minus POS. So we have angle ROQ 90. If ROQ is equal to 90, then I'm not going to write again and again this is linear pair or straight angle. Directly you have to understand this one, and in exam also you need to write like this way. Understood? So here ROQ is 190, then obviously this, if POQ is a line, then what is the sum of this total? What is the sum of this angle? Three angles? 180. If ROQ is 90, that means sum of these two angle. Sum of these two angle is 90. That means sum of these two angle means what is the name of this angle? POS. And what is the name of this angle? ROS. Means POS plus ROS is 90. Clear? Also, see angle QOS. This angle QOS contains two angles. See QOS. This OS and OQ are the arms, and this is the angle. This angle contains how many angles? Two angles. Angle ROQ and angle ROS. So you can write like this way. Angle QOS is equal to angle ROS plus angle ROQ. Clear? Now angle QS, ROS you transfer on the left side, it will be minus ROS. And what is the measurement ROQ? 90. So both the relation, what you got? Question. This is numbering means this is, you have to give a identification mark. So this is number 1 and this is number 2. So both has 90 degree on the right hand side. So if you comparing 1 and 2, then you can get this is also 90 degree, this is also 90 degree, means the sum of these two is 90 degree, and from this one, this relation how much degree? 90 degree. That means these two are equal. So POS plus ROS is equal to QS minus ROS. If you transfer this ROS on the left hand side, then ROS plus ROS, and what is left here? QS minus POS. Angle ROS plus angle ROS, twice angle ROS. Like this, X plus X how much? X plus X how much? Twice X. Or Y plus Y how much? Twice Y. Like this, angle ROS plus angle ROX is twice angle ROX. And what is left? Angle QS minus POS. If you transfer this 2 is multiplied with ROS. Now, if you transfer this 2, it will be divided or not? It will be divided. Divide means what? If you can write like this way. Angle ROS means half of angle QS minus POS. It means divide only. Why? Because QS minus POS into 1 by 2. Yes or no? So we have this one. So we got this one. I hope all of you understood this one. Clear? Now please see your homeworks. And before that, I want to say you that in case any doubt or confusion, please clear it in the evening and try to submit your homework. I request all of you. Question number 3. This is exercise 6.1. Okay. Exercise 6.1. Question number 3, 4 and 6. Okay. Please submit homework in the evening. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.